Welcome back. We will continue from here. Identify the wrong statement. Erythropoietin is produced by juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney. This is correct statement. So we have to identify the wrong ones. So A is correct, therefore it cannot be the answer. Strike out A. A is here and A is here. Next one. Leydig cells produce androgens. This is correct. Testosterone is produced by Leydig. B we have already ruled out. Atrial natriuretic factor, a peptide hormone, is secreted by seminiferous tubule is wrong. It is secreted by atrium of heart. So C is wrong, therefore it will be the answer. Now we have already removed C from here, so this is the only option with C. So option 3 is the right answer. A will also be wrong. Gastrin acts on intestinal wall. No, it acts on stomach. And this is the reason it is wrong. Cholecystokinin is produced by GIT. Yes, it is produced by duodenum. So D is correct. So one by one, let's go through all of them. Juxtaglomerular cells of kidney produces a peptide hormone, erythropoietin, and as the name suggests, it is involved in erythropoiesis, production of RBCs. Leydig cells are also called interstitial cells, present in the intertubular spaces. It produces androgen called testosterone, and it is involved in development of male characteristics. All male characteristics. Atrial natriuretic factor is secreted by atrial walls of heart in response to high blood pressure. So this ANF is going to cause vasodilation. By increasing the volume, the pressure will come back to normal. Then gastrin acts on gastric glands, stimulates the secretion of HCl and pepsinogen. Chief cells or the peptic cells produce pepsinogen. Oxyntic cells or parietal cells produce HCl. Cholecystokinin, it stimulates the secretion of pancreatic enzymes and bile juice. Pancreatic enzymes from pancreas, bile juice from gallbladder. Cholecystokinin.